echoes of a prisoned soul. We are the fastest of our time, selling our souls in increments, trading eternity for fleeting highs and temporary comforts that suffocate. We mortgage our dreams for mansions and sacrifice our passions for paychecks. We barter our voices for validation and our values for a veneer of success. We sold God for gold and faith for fame, exchanging the sacred for the mundane, the whispers of the divine silenced by our greed. As we bow to the idols of our own making, our hearts in need. We sacrificed modesty on the altar of desire, trading innocence for lust's burning fire. Our hearts, once pure, now tainted and worn, as we surrender to the beast that we can't scorn. In the marketplace of desires, we auction off our authenticity for the highest bidder's empty praise and the hollow echoes of social media's approval. But in the silence of our deepest selves, a whisper remains, a spark that flickers, a longing for the life we left behind, a yearning for the soul we sold, the heart we have divided. We are the fastest of our time, living in the shadows of our own regret, haunted by the ghosts of our choices, and the echoes of what could have been, what should have been. The heavens weep for us, the earth mourns our loss. As we wander lost and forsaken in the wilderness of our own making,